Hey all, and welcome to another quick how-to video. So today we're going to do some basic settings on our iSeries NVR. We've just run through the wizard, so check that out if you haven't got this far. But now we're going to go just do some basic settings that you might need. Okay, so for example, daylight savings time. Let's go ahead and enable that. So this will be the last Sunday in March. Okay, it knows all the times exactly. We click on apply. Now we have to check the time. So it says here 10:45. Let's go click away and come back. Now it's changed at 11:45. So that's because we just changed the daylight savings time. So what we want to do is just go back an hour and put that back to 10:45. But now it should be ready to go for DST. Okay. So here we can change our HDMI resolution as well. So you can go up to 4K here. So if you have got a 4K monitor, I recommend might as well go for that. And we also can change our mouse pointer speed here. Ooh, that's a bit fast. So I'm just going to leave it on slow. Okay. And if you have a BNC output here, you could change the brightness. We can change our name here. Okay, AcuSense is a bit of a weird name, so let's just call it Office NVR. Okay, and we can click on apply there. So we also got we can disable the password here if you want to, guys, and auto log out. So auto log out means if you leave it for 5 minutes, it will ask you for the password again. So I hate this feature, so I'm just going to put it on 30 minutes. Okay, and that's some basic settings done there. And if you go to user, you can change the password here and your pattern. And for live view, now we have different live view modes. So the better way to show you is we go to the live view here. All right, so down here we can change our live view settings. We can go to 3x3, 2x2, whatever you want, guys. All right, just some basic settings here. Okay, and that's pretty much it. There's not really a lot to do until you plug in a camera. So that's what we're going to do in the next video. We're going to add one camera direct to the NVR and one camera through a switch. So hopefully you stay tuned for that one, and hopefully catch you soon. Cheers, bye.